Now let us learn the next connective, what is called as negation and denoted by this particular symbol. Negation is a statement that uses the connective not, that is, it negates the original statement. So thus negation operates only on one statement. So this is unlike conjunction or disjunction, which operated on two individual statements, but here negation needs just one input statement. So for example, if P is a statement which stands for 10 is an even number, then negation of P will indicate 10 is not an even number. So it is basically just negating or flipping the original statement. Okay, now let's see the truth table of negation. Now since it operates on only one statement, which can be either true or false, so clearly the negation will be either false or true respectively, right? So this is the smallest truth table. Let's go ahead and practice the question based on negation. So we have to write the negations of the following statements. First one says 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So to negate this, we will just say that 5 plus 5 is not equal to 10. Then next is 3 is greater than 4. Now there are two ways to write the negation of this. Either we say that 3 is not greater than 4, that is simplest, or we can think that is if it's not greater, then it can be either less than or equal to 4. So that's the only possibility. So that's the way we write it. Next is 0 is not a complex number, right? So here, since the original statement itself includes the word not, so while doing the negation we will simply remove the word not and say that 0 is a complex number. That will become the negation. Fourth one is the sun sets in the east. Now here we should not write that sun sets in the west, just because east and west are thought to be the opposite direction. But it is not quite sound to write that way. We just say that the sun does not set in the east. That's a simple way of writing the negation. And lastly, it is not true that diamonds are inexpensive. Now here it may be a little confusing because there is not here, then there is the word true here, then inexpensive. So a lot of true or false or negated statements or words. So here we simply remove the word not and say that it is true that diamonds are inexpensive. So that's the best way to write the negation. So here is the summary. So here we can see the answers on the screen. That's the negations of all the given statements. Yeah, so here they are. Take a moment to look at all these answers and then we'll move ahead.